Saya. Oi. Setiap hari Chief Minister Konon bersama Dapo tempatnya di kolok-kolok yang siap kami ini buat dan terpang ini saya beri. Bu Liang Burung Kamledak Kedisiau Yausan Konon bersama Bakamjuk yang sorkan kalau lakmat au hati resmi. Terus lagi ada program kami dibukit yang semua Oman Muhosyo di hati program hari resmi. Dan kuda sendal yang di asas uang dihikmat yang ini yang dibukit bagi giver yang ser konon bersama Kamjuk yang deputy chief minister Siawalan Bha. Yang ini di gift kepada yang Muhammad Saudi Wan Hikmat. UE yang di gift kepada Kamjuk yang deputy yang chief minister Wan Muhammad. Punya deputy chief minister Ustaz Siawalan Bha. Maka itu Israel masih ya dalam Santa Mary Shula MLA Suka Second Constituency Matanjuk Ilang ya Usar I Khamati IS Secretary Mining and Geology. Matanjuk beliau ya Usar Kabilah Kanawal IS Deputy Commissioner East Jambi District. Aku yang mana main sila, bukit yang di bukit bat yang di India yang yang Superintendent of Police Usar Jakar Singh Nano IPS. Ya, populasi boy. escutei o programa, eu ia a welcome address na uma Iraqi Assembly. Hari ko, por el Minister Iraqi Assembly, siya bawa shumat ni aka welcome address.
Mr. Chairman, thank you for on this auspicious occasion. I take this opportunity to express our gratitude and welcome to the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Tenggat K. Sharma as our chief guest on this day. As a sign of gratitude and honor our Chief Minister's son, let's give him a big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Through your leadership to lead from the front, we are able now to start the coal mining as per SOP and the latest technology and scientific method of coal mining. We welcome all thanks for Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri Seo Alam Dahal to spend his valuable time to be with us. Thank you, sir. Your contribution as a cabinet minister to both the successful lifting of the ban on the coal mining and initiative to start the scientific coal mining will be always appreciated. We thanks and welcome you, sir. We welcome and express our gratitude to Srimati Santa Mary Shelva, MLA Fight Sukma Saikung constituency, though being a first-timer as a legislator. You have put up the effort to raise the pending issue regarding the coal mining in the recently concluded session of the State Legislative Assembly. You have convened the state government to follow up with the Ministry of Coal, Government of India, which has materialized now. You are the voice of the people of this region. We are proud of you, Madam. We express our gratitude to Sri Kerman Shilla, our local MLA, and Honorable Cabinet Minister in charge Home Passport, Excise Revenue, and Disaster Management. Even though he cannot present amidst us owing the unavoidable circumstances, we thank him for his contribution. We welcome the Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya Mining and Geology Department, Sri E. Karmaki IAS. The Director of Mineral Resources, Sri P.D. Sharma. Our beloved Deputy Commissioner is Jaitya Hill District, Sri Abhilash Banaro IAS. Our Superintendent of Police is Jaitya Hill, Sri Jagpal Singh IAS. ADCs and EAC. We welcome all the MDCs of JHADC, all the ex-MLAs and ex-MDCs, hitmen, social activists, renowned persons of this region such as Sri Netan and Sri Thomas Nampudu, Sri Garrison Nampudu, Sri Hambatus Nampudu, Sri K. Simpli, and Madras and the others, the Deloy and Acting Deloy, Association of Jaitya Hills Coal Miner and Traders, and all our friends that have come from West Khasi Hill and the other places. Welcome to Sri Palas Chakraborty. Last but not the least, we welcome all the public of East Jaitya Hill District. Without your presence, this program might not be so grand. If I miss out to welcome and mention any invitees, please take this as a gesture of warm welcome to you too. Please at home. Thank you.